Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to make the perfect gift with our silhouette. It's good for anybody on any occasion. You are not going to want to miss this, I promise. So go grab the beverage of your choice and hurry back. For those of you that don't know me, I am Brenda Lambert. I'm a TJC licensed instructor for silhouette, and you found your way to silhouette success. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is like Hot Mess Express edition. It's been a hectic, crazy week, but I recorded in bits and pieces and kind of smushed it together. If you notice anything wonky, disregard. The information's all there. We're going to start with the motivational cards. Then we're going to put the jar together and finish up with the packaging. If everyone's ready, let's do this. For the motivational cards, you want to open up Silhouette Studio and import the file. You want to set your page up. Your media size is going to be the same size as your printer. Mine is set to letter. You want to make sure that your registration marks are on. And then you're going to put one group of motivational cards on your mat at a time. Now, these motivational cards have been set up so that the writing is in black, the cut lines are in red, and there's a blue score line. So when we go to the send panel, you're going to want to choose cut by line. You want the red checked, that is your outline for the cards. You want your blue checked, but what I did for that was I set my material for copy paper medium, and I set my blade depth at 1, and I set the force down to 2. It's just going to make a very light scratch on the surface of the cardstock so you get a better fold line. Now for the red cut line, I chose cardstock textured heavy 80 pound, and that will be auto cut. You want to be sure that you have the black unchecked, or else it's going to try to cut out all of the lettering, and that's a mess. Ready to move on to the jars? The first thing you want to do is add some rocks or seashells, or you can do the paper shreds, anything decorative. You're going to fill your jar about halfway. The next step is to take our motivational cards and kind of arrange them in the jar so that they can be pulled out one by one, but it gives a nice look to the jar as well. We have some regular pink and some striped pink. We just want to have a nice mixture showing on the outside of the jar. I'm going to put just a little bit of rope around the collar here. And I put the lid on first because I don't want the rope coming up too high on the jar. I want to make sure it still closes well. Just wrap around once. And with this, you can use ribbon or rope or whatever you like at this point. Secure the end with more glue so that it doesn't come unraveled. We're going to add a quote to the top. I printed out 4 different stickers with print and cut. I am going to use Actually, I can. You just want to get that centered on there. Let's move on to the packaging. Okay, take 2 on the box part of this project, because when I went to fold the box and put it all together, the score lines had cut too deep and my cardstock actually ended up ripping. That happens sometimes, and you can decide whether or not you want to take that chance when you're making your box. You know, do you want the Cameo to score it, or do you want to just do it manually? This time it did not work out so well for me, so I am just going to take my scoring pen and my ruler and go right along the lines that need to be scored real quick. Okay, and now we can go on to assembling. This one gets taped down. And then this one goes like that. Line up the edges. Tape down this first tab. And then just make our way around the whole box. This last tab is going to hold everything together. There we go. This one is much sturdier. That's what we needed. Now for this one, we're just going to put some tape along the tabs here. Much better. After that, we're going to just put some tissue paper in our box. I'm only using a half a piece here. Let's put some of our confetti in there. The jar. And we'll add in a little more confetti for good measure. It's jumpy. Okay, then we need the lid. Can finish it off with a nice ribbon. Hold it all together. Beautiful, thoughtful, and helpful. This project can be customized in so many ways. Got a graduation to go to? Perfect. Valentine's Day? Yep. Just change the motivational quotes to love quotes? Perfect. You got an angsty teen's birthday coming up? change it to affirmations. It works every single time. You can make it more masculine, more feminine. You can make it holiday themed. It is the best gift. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said in the beginning, it was kind of rough to get through. I don't know why, but if you've enjoyed the information in the video and you plan on trying this specific project, go ahead and hit the like button. It helps me out a ton, but it also pushes the information out into YouTube so that other people can enjoy it as well. I am going to wrap this up. Say thank goodness this is done. I made it. Whew. And I will see you next time.